Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've just softened a frozen onion in the pan. It's starting to brown, so we're just going to get it off the heat, and then just straight from frozen into the pan. And just cook it until it's soft and starting to brown like that. And then we're getting in our firm tofu, so that's about 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces. I'm going to turn my heat down because it's starting to burn. And then we just want to cook it until the tofu, basically till it heats up, because it's not going to brown a lot. So when the tofu is cooked, nice and warm, we're going to get our soy sauce in. So we want about a tablespoon. It's in the pan. So my pan's cooled down a bit. I have to do some prep work. So normally that would sizzle a bit, but that's like all good. And then taste, and you might want a little bit more soy with it. I think that will be good for me. And then we're just going to pile it into our plate. So delicious. Like, it doesn't, it's one of those dishes that doesn't look particularly good, but it is super yummy. Then I'm just going to put a nice crunchy cucumber on the side, and then we're going to finish it with a couple of teaspoons of smooth peanut butter, so it's runny. Or you can go more peanut butter if you like. And then we're going to finish with some hot sauce. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.